Firstly, open up HUOBI app. Once you open the app, go to My. Then tap on Click to log in to your account. After login, click on Settings button on the top right corner. In Settings, go to General. Then go to API Management. In API Management, click on Create API. Then under Note Name, type in UBOT AI. Then under Access Settings, tap on Trade. Under Link IP Address, key in UBOT AI's IP addresses. You may get this IP addresses from our customer service. Once done, click on Confirm. Then you have to get both email and phone verification code. By getting the codes, click on Send button and SMS button. After you receive the verification codes, key into the empty boxes. Then click Confirm. Now you have to open up UBOT AI app. In UBOT AI, go to Home. Then go to API Connection. Then select HUOBI. Then click on Add API Key. And now you have to copy both API key and secret key from HUOBI app. After you have done, copy both keys into UBOT AI, click on Import. Finally, you have done binding the API.